Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little tag. I'll probably end up sticking it in my art journal. I'm going to be using a regular shipping tag and some corrugated cardboard and some images I've stamped. These are from Blank Page Muse. They're very nice rubber stamps. And also some black gesso and like a mustardy colored paint. This is muted gold. Begin by just adding some black gesso. If you don't have black gesso, black paint will do. And roll it out or paint it onto your tag. This is going to be the background. I'm also going to take up, add some texture to that. I have hair squeegee. I'm just going to add some lines before it dries. I don't know how much they'll show, but I like to add texture as I go along. I'm going to allow that to dry, or just give it a quick dry with my heat gun here. And then I'm gonna, it's a good shake because I haven't used it in a while. And add a tiny drop. It's very watery. It's probably because of the heat here. Everything is getting ruined with this heat. And I'm just gonna add some brown, or muted gold rather, to the tag as well. Great, I like that look. Let's move this out of the way. I'm going to dry that again. And now I want to incorporate this in my tag. So you'll need some glue or gel medium to stick that down. Whatever you have on hand. I'm going to use some gel medium. Regular glue can stick it down also because it's just cardboard onto paper really. And I'm going to stick that in place. I'm just going to move this paper now because I don't want it to stuck to that paper. And let that dry for a minute. And when it's, I'm going to color these in when it's dry and stick these on also. So just make sure it's positioned right where you want it. I will probably put that up there. I'm going to move this a little further down here. Yeah, that looks about right. While that's drying, I'm going to grab some modeling paste because I want to just fill in some of this area here. You could also use plaster, spackling, joint compound. And I am going to allow that to dry. Now this is dry, I'm going to add some Bombay ink. Diluted paint is fine. This is yellow ochre. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some drops. And I'm just going to spread that out with my finger, actually. Not really the look I was going for, so let me just spread that out, blend that in. That's much better. Okay, now that's done. The final steps for my tag will be to add my embellishments. I have stamped these and colored them. And I'm just going to put them on with some tape and then add a bit of ribbon. So you can either use gel medium, glue, or tape to stick them on, or glue stick. I'm going to use a glue stick for my bat, and then because this is rough, I'll probably use gel medium for that. And here's my gel medium. I'm just going to use my finger. Two-way tape is another great option for sticking on embellishments. Let me just close this. And the last thing we shall do is add our ribbon. Now, as I said before, you can leave this as is, or you can add it to your art journal. It really is whatever you want to do. So there we have it. Our beautiful Halloween tag.